Lauren struggles carrying a tall pile of books through the library. Lauren slowly keeps the books balanced carefully in her arms as she walks. Lauren stops for a moment and looks confused. Sophie shows Lauren how to carry fewer books at once. Lauren proudly carries the books safely across the library bookshelves. Suddenly, the word capable appears beside Lauren. Being capable means having the confidence and ability to do something successfully. Lauren helping organize books confidently. Being capable means you have the ability to do something. What kinds of things are you capable of doing when you practice?
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit VocabCartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.